Nike's Air Max Dn, known for pushing the boundaries of visible air technology, is getting a seasonal upgrade. The new Air Max Dn WTR is built to handle colder, harsher conditions with subtle design modifications. While it closely resembles the standard model, closer inspection reveals changes to the upper and sole, likely incorporating weather-resistant materials, though not GORE-TEX, as its absence is confirmed by the lack of branding. Instead, Nike opts for its own protective elements to offer traction and durability in wintry settings. Dressed in a bold noble red, light crimson and black colorway, the shoe features a deep ruby tone across the upper, balanced by darker shades along the sole for a striking contrast. It's a look that could easily blend into both snowy streets and concert scenes alike. Expect the Air Max Dn WTR to launch quietly on Nike.com by early November, just in time for winter. Official images are now available.